Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got these beautiful heatless curls using Curlformers, then just keep on watching. The pack of Curlformers comes with 40 Curlformers and 2 hooks. Each pack comes with 2 different colors, pink and orange. Which color you use on which side depends on whether or not you want your curls to go towards or away from your face. The hook comes in 2 pieces, so the first thing you have to do is snap them together. Your hair will go through the end of the hook. It's not a very large opening, so you can't use a very large section of hair. The products that I'm using are the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and the Shea Moisture Frizz Free Curl Mousse. These 2 products go really well together and are very lightweight. And of course, don't forget your water bottle. Starting on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, the first thing you want to do is section your hair into 4 sections. Starting on the first section, the first thing you want to do is add a lot of water. The first time I did Curlformers, my hair was not wet enough and it came out pretty frizzy. So I suggest making it very damp. Next, I applied some oil to my hair just to give it some slip. You want to start off with a small section of hair. If your section is too large, it won't go through the Curlformer and it'll snag. First product I'm applying is my Shea Moisture Smoothie. Then I'm following up with a couple pumps of the mousse. As I'm working this into my hair, I'm also finger detangling. I did not use any combs or brushes for this style. You want to make sure your hair is fully detangled to get sleek results. Next, you want to slide your Curlformer onto the hook. Make sure that you pull it all the way through, which can be kind of hard with the extra long ones, so just do your best. Start by twisting your hair at the roots. This will make it easier to get all of your hair inside the hook. Make sure all of your hair is inside of the hook and then push the Curlformer towards your roots. Secure the Curlformer at your roots while you pull the hook from the other end. Your hair should glide through the Curlformer. If not, this is probably because your section is too big, so just start over with a smaller piece. You don't want to yank your hair through because this can cause damage. So here I'm just doing the same thing, applying my smoothie, then applying the mousse, twisting my hair at the roots. And then finally pulling the hair through. I'm just sewing the last 2 in the front just so that you can get a better view. I'm just going to let them dry overnight. You can also sit under a dryer if you would like. This is the next day. As you can see, my curlformers did not slip or come out while I was sleeping. Curlformers are very easy to remove. All you have to do is pinch the opening and your hair will slide out. After you've removed all the curlformers, you want to add some oil to your hair and separate each curl. However, I would be very careful with separating because it does cause frizz. I'm only separating each curl one time. I decided to flip my hair to the side, but you can style it any way that you desire. I really love how my hair came out. My curls are soft and bouncy, and I love that I was able to stretch my hair without any heat. I use the spiral extra long curlformers, but they also come in corkscrew and barrel size, and they also come in short and long sizes. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe along with pressing the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.